Welcome to my channel. This is Grace, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And the technical drawing student, I want to ask that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. That help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And most importantly, you need to practice this subject because this is a practical subject. For you to be good at it, you need to practice it. Okay, right now, so what I want to do is to solve this problem that it's under machine drawing, and we are asked to draw the sectional front elevation. So on plane AA, this is plane AA that cut this object into two equal parts. So we cut like this. So remove this part. I want to see what is here. So which is we are going to work on this to draw the sectional front elevation. So I'll be talking about the dimensions of this front elevation. So we have distance from here to here to be 7 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 6 millimeters, and distance from this base here to the center of this circles is 35 millimeters. Distance from this center here up to this point is 18 millimeters. The diameter of this big circle is 30 millimeters. Diameter of this small circle is 18 millimeters, and we have the distance from here to here is 13 millimeters. The distance from here to this point is 16 millimeters, and the web is inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal, and the radius of this arc is 8 millimeters. Then the distance from the center line of this circle, which is also part of this part, from the center of this circle here is 58 millimeters as we have in the plan. And then for this part that we have here, so we have distance from here to here. We have it here as boss in the plan as the diameter is 10 millimeters, and the small one, the small circle, so which is distance from here to here, the drill, the diameter is 5 millimeters. All these dimensions, we are going to make use of them for us to draw the sectional front elevation. So do not forget that the cutting plane, it passed through the center of this object and cut into two. Then what we are going to do is to replicate what we have here, but some parts will be removed. So we are not going to have this line here. We are not going to have this line here, and then we are not going to draw the whole of this circle here, because these circles that we have here, apart from this circle that we have here is this part to be cut off. We are not going to see it. It's going to be cut off, and then we are going to have this part to be plain. But you see the way I'm going to do it right now. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is to draw a horizontal line here. So we draw a horizontal line. So I'll just take it like this. Okay, then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I'll draw a vertical line, a center line here like this. Okay, so then I'm going to take a measurement of 58 millimeters from here. So 58 millimeters from here. So this is 58. So I will draw a vertical center line. I'll draw a vertical center line here. All right, so with the vertical center line that I drew there, so I'm going to take a measurement of 7 millimeters down here. So this is 7 millimeters from here. So here I will draw a short horizontal line like this. And I'll take a measurement of 6 millimeters. So I draw some vertical line here like this. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will take a measurement of 35 millimeters to get the center of the circles. So right from this point here, so 35 millimeter. This is 35 millimeters. So I'm going to draw horizontal line here, horizontal center line. So this is it. All right, so I'm going to draw the circles now. So I will take my compass. So the big circle diameter is 30. So half of 30 is 15. So I will take a measurement of 15 millimeters on my ruler with my compass. So this is 15. So I will draw the circle partially first. I don't want to make it a thick circle, so I'll just draw it partially like this. So I believe you can still see it like this. All right, so the second circle, so the diameter is 18, so the radius is 9 millimeters. So that one I can make it thick at once. So I'll just put the pinpoint on my compass here and I will draw. All right, so now we have the circles in place. So the next thing I'm going to do, so we have an arc here. So we have a curve, we have a curve around here. So this is the curve I'm talking about. So this curve here, we have this curve around here. So I will just use my hand to produce the curve like this. Okay. All right, so then I'm going to draw this line. All right, so we have this line in the front elevation. This is the line that I'm talking about. This is the line. So we have drawn that. So I'm going to make this part to be a thick line. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is that so I want to work on this part. So from here to here is 13 millimeters, and from here to here is 16 millimeters. So I'll first of all take a measurement of 13 millimeters from here. So this is 13 millimeters. Then I'll take 16. So I'm going to draw horizontal line like this. Then here I will also draw horizontal line. Okay, then next I'm going to do is to take the measurement of diameter of this part. So we have the diameter of this from here to here. It is given here in the first of all, this part here, this part, so this part here, so the diameter is 12 millimeters. Diameter is 12 millimeters, and this part that we have here, so which is distant from here to here, the diameter is 16 millimeters. The radius is okay. The radius here is 12 millimeters. The radius here is, for this one, the radius is 12 millimeters, and the radius of this is 8 millimeters, while the radius of this inner one is 10 millimeters. Oh, sorry, is 5 millimeter. Diameter is 10, the radius is 5. So I'm going to take that measurement at once. So first of all, take 12 millimeters for the outer one. So from here, 12. Now we take 12 to this side, so making 24. So the next is I will take I will take 8 millimeters to the left side and 8 millimeters to the right side. This is 8. So this is so 8 millimeters. Sorry, I took 12 from here. So okay, this is not complete. So this is 24. So then, so I've taken 8 to the left side. So I will take 8 millimeters to the right side. So this is 8 millimeters, making 16. So next I will take 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters to the left side and 5 millimeters to the right side. So I have those ones. So I'm going to use my set square. So I will draw so vertical line here. So here I will also draw a vertical line here. Here I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so I'll come here also. Here I'll draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line, and here I will draw a vertical line. Though all these lines, not going to use all of them. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that, so by the time this part is cut off, so we are going to see this line here. We see this line inside the object, so we see the line. So the line, so I'm just going to make this line that is from here to here. So I'll make it a thick line from here to here. So it will be exposed. That part will be exposed. So it will be a thick line from here to here. And then so the next part that we have here, so is that, so we have what? We have this curve like this. So we have this curve here. So I'll just use my hand so to produce the curve. So it is from here to here like this. Okay, and also so from here to here like this. So so the radius is small. Okay, so we have that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make this line, this part, so this will be a thick line like this. So this will be a thick line, and then so I'm going to make, so this from here to here to be made thick, and also so we are going to make this to be a thick line from here to here, and also so I'll make this a thick line from here to here. All right, so we are moving on. So the next thing that I'm going to do here, is to draw the web. So with my 45 degree set square, as I said, that the web is at angle 45 degree to the horizontal, as you can see here. So with my 45 degree set square, so I will set it here like this. Okay, so now we produce the web. So it goes like this. All right, so that is the web. So I'm going to make this thick from here to here. All right, next thing that we are going to do is to produce this curve here, because this curve is solid part and it is part of this. So we need to produce it to separate the web from this part. So we need to draw this curve. So what we are going to do is we need to locate a point around here. So to do that, we have to apply the principle of tangency 1. So the diameter of this circle is 30, this big circle, and the radius is 15. So the radius of this arc is 8. So we add 15 plus 8, that's 23. So we have to take a measurement of 23 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 23 millimeters. So this is so I take a measurement of 23. So this is 23 millimeters. So so I'll put at the center here, and I will make an arc around here. So I don't want it to be too visible. So then I will take a measurement of 8 millimeters for that arc. So 8 millimeters. So this is 8 millimeters here now. So then I will put it at somewhere around here. So it touches this circle now, touches the circle. So then I'll just turn it. So I just have to take it easy. So then, so I'm going to turn it like this. All right, so we have that. So we have that part. So though I think I shouldn't have made it too visible like this. Okay, so we have that part. So we are not yet done because we are still going to arch. So then we have to put this part up here. This part we have to put it here. So as I said, so I gave the dimension of that. So the dimension of that. So I'm going to take a measurement of 18 millimeters from the center here up. 18 millimeters. So from here, so this is 18 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I'll draw a horizontal line here now. So this is the horizontal line. So the diameter of the outer part is 10. So I'm going to take 5 millimeters to the left side and 5 millimeters to the right side. Then diameter of the inner one is 5. So half of 5 is 2.5. So here I have 2.5 here. Then I will take 2.5 to the right side. All right, so then I'm going to so here I'm going to make this with a thick line. Okay, so this will also be made with a thick line. So this part, so it goes inward. We are going to see it. We are going to see it, and this also goes inward. We are going to see it. So I will need to remove something here. All right, I'll put every part in place. The next thing that we are going to do is to produce the arching line. So so with 45 degrees set square, so this solid part, I'm going to arch this part. I will arch this part, and this part will be arched. This part will also be arched, including here be arched, except the web. So the web here will not be arched. So when a cutting plane pass through the object in this direction and the web is cut, we are not to arch the web. So we are going to leave it unarched. So I'm going to pause the video. I will arch it, and then when I'm done, you will see the end results. All right, so this is the end result. So I've done the arching, and you can see the web is left unhatched. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When practice, you will surely know it and know it better. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.